Hello my dear students. In the previous lecture we have seen various different examples which are related to the strength of acids and strength of acids basically. Now in this section we will see the organic bases and their strength along with their examples. What is meant by base? A base is nothing but the compound which can accept the H plus ion. Simply, base is having lone pair of electron, or it may have the negative charge. So this will donate a pair of electron to the hydrogen H plus ion, and the positive charge will come on base. So this is the main basic function of base. But what happens? Sometimes different ion groups get attached to the organic base, and its strength will get changed. So that we will see that which different factors generally affect the strength of base. First of all, we will see the availability of electron pair. Availability of electron pair. If any ion or if any molecule which is having negative charge, it is generally readily available for the donation rather than the lone pair of electron. The negative charge which is present on any ion, it is mainly available for the donation or easily available for the donation rather than the lone pair of electron. For example, I have OH minus and I have H2O molecule. Here both oxygen acts as a base, but one oxygen, that is hydroxyl ion, it is having minus charge. This minus charge is easily available for the donation to the for the acceptance of H plus ion and the donation of minus charge to the any electrophilic molecule. Rather than water molecule, as we know that it is having the oxygen having two lone pair of electrons, but these are not readily available for the donation. Of course, it can donate, but as compared to the between hydroxyl ion and water molecule, the hydroxyl ion is more basic than water molecule, because this will be negative charge, and negative charge is readily available for the donation. Next one is electronegativity of B. Suppose I have two atoms A and B. One is more electronegative than the another one. Electronegativity means the ability of any atom or molecule to hold the electron towards itself. If that molecule is holding electron towards itself, it will not easily donate electron to the any positive charge species or electrophilic species, so that automatically its basic character will get decreased. If the electronegativity of any atom is get increased, then its basicity get decreases. For example, NH3 and H2. We know that oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. Oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen, so that oxygen will hold more electron towards itself, and nitrogen is having less ability to the donation, or it is having less ability for the capturing electron towards itself or attracting electron towards itself, so that nitrogen is a good electron donor than oxygen, or ammonia is good base than water molecule, because oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. It will more powerfully hold electron towards itself, and nitrogen is having less capacity, or it's having less electronegativity as compared to the oxygen one. You have seen this ability, or it may have the electron withdrawing ability. It may have minus I character, minus R character, or it may have electron donating inductive effect, electron donating resonance effect. It may have electron withdrawing inductive effect or electron withdrawing resonance effect. Suppose I attached any group. Suppose X group is attached to this base from this example. Here B is electron donor group, it acts as a base, but if X is any atom which attracts the electron towards itself, so what happens? The electron density which is expected to be donated to the H plus ion, it will get decreased. If any X atom which is electron withdrawing group, it is having electron withdrawing or electron withdrawing inductive effect, it may have electron withdrawing resonance effect. In that condition, it will attract electron towards itself, and this lone pair of electron or negative, we can take it as a negative charge. The charge which is useful for the electron donation, it will not readily available, so that its basic character it decreases, because the main function of the base is the attack on the H plus ion, or accept the H plus ion, or to donate the lone pair of electron. If its ability to donate the lone pair or to donate the electrons is very decreased, then basicity automatically get decreased. So that if any substrate which is having electron withdrawing inductive effect or electron withdrawing resonance effect, it will decreases the basicity of base. And if X is any atom which can donate the electron to the base, in that condition, the charge present on the base will get increases, and if the charge get increases, this base will have higher electron density, and this higher electron density will be available for the donation to H plus ion. That means it will radially attack on the H plus ion, and the basicity will be higher, so that if any substrate which shows electron donating inductive effect or electron donating resonance effect, in that condition the basicity of the base will get increases and the pKb value will be get decreased. If basicity increases, then pKb value decreases. If basicity decreases, then pKb value will be get increased. Just like pKa value in acid, it is the pKb value in bases. We are studying the different factors which are affecting the strength of bases. Next factor we are going to study is the stability of conjugate base. Stability of conjugate base. Here, general example, general reaction of bases. Base is accepting H plus ion, that means base is donating electron to the hydrogen ion, and there is the formation of conjugate acid. Conjugate acid. Actually, this one is stability of conjugate acid. That means base, after donation of electron, it forms conjugate acid. So we are studying the stability of conjugate acid. If the stability of this conjugate acid increases, then reaction will transfer towards the right hand side. That means towards the stability. If this reaction is getting the stable product, it will radially go into the right hand direction, and we will get the product. If you are not getting the stable product, reaction will not transfer in that direction, and we will not get the product in the large quantity. So that any reaction which is expected to go towards the product, it should have the stable product. Just like this, if the stability of conjugate acid is increases, then reactions basicity will get increases and pKb value get decreases. This is all about stability of conjugate acid. Next part is the nature of solvent. Nature of solvent. Nature of solvent means solvent may be polar or it may be non-polar. Suppose I am using the polar solvent, then this polar solvent will form hydrogen bonding with this conjugate acid. It will form hydrogen bonding with conjugate acid, and automatically conjugate base or stability of conjugate base will get increases. So that if the stability of conjugate base get increases, then pKb value get decreases. For polar solvent, this conjugate acid will form hydrogen bonding and will form a stable product, and it will show the strength of base will get increases and pKb value get decreases. But for non-polar solvent, it will radially decreases the basicity strength for non-polar solvent, because here you can see that non-polar solvent cannot form any hydrogen bonding with your product, so that this makes the comparison between the polar solvent and non-polar solvent. This is all about the stability of base. If the stability of base get increases, its pKb value get decreases. For any acid which is suppose it is a weak acid, then its pKb value will be higher. Next part we will see in the next section. Next lecture.